Shoot it straight up right now. I just saw a dash. Who are these guys?
Oh yeah.
Fuck! Go, 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 go!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I used your brother as a shield. I got scared. I just like hid behind him.
Hey, dickhead!
Oh shit! Oh! I don't know. I'm trying. I want to have this around my neck now.
All my life.
Oh! Huh. Oh my god! That was fucking Jackson!
That was fucking lit.
Dude, why are they even still? He got hit by one. What happened? Did he get hurt? No. We're far enough away. Stop it! Bro, I thought they were letting go. Hey, who's got a light? Who's got a light?
Take a picture.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Oh my god! Who else went over there? What?
Jackson and Gold John. Dude, I think I hit one of them.
Oh shit! Alright. Oh shit!
Who is that?
Get him, get him!
I got 30 seconds. Can we chill? Are they fighting? Dan Marino with another dog.
Oh my god!
Dude, these are getting stronger
Yeah.
and stronger. Good job.
What the fuck?
Bro, over here, I got it. It's not safe bag. Look up more. There you go. Oh. Oh, let's go, run away. Start backpedal.
Oh my god! Dude.
We should have brought the metal one too.
Oh.
Patrick, there was a shrapnel piece next to me, like 4 feet away.
Dude, I ran and I dove, bro. I dove in that ball.
What the fuck? I don't know. It's because it was a ceramic pot.
That was not there. It was just
Hey,
regular
let's see if we can't find.
My leg! Oh, that's
Oh my god. Alright, so we're up here driving. We got a strip of northern lights up there.
Up there. Oh, there's three. There's three. One
Three?
on top of. Fuck New Year's resolutions, bro. That was sick. There were a lot of fireworks. Bro, imagine this, but on top of the suicide.
I was hoping it was gonna glow a little bit more.
Yeah, no, yeah, I haven't seen a single one.
Look
up, Dash, look up.
What?
Oh my god. Alright, bro, this is getting a little scary now, bro.
Flare out here. Camera sucks. these pictures. Look at this. This is actually insane.
So disoriented.
There he goes.
Like, I don't know where I'm at right now.
Oh, fuck. Oh my god! I was too close to the edge. Ah! Need to get a straight shot down this way. This is not grippy enough. Actually, I don't want to go straight down.
That's actually crazy.
Oh my god. Oh god. So hard to stop right here. Oh. Ah. How do you waddle?
Dude, you know, like penguins waddle because that's how they avoid slipping?
Yes. You do that. Okay, this isn't awful. Been in ice here. It's windy out here too.
Oh shit! Oh shit! I can't lead the way.
What do you mean you can't lead the way?
Mamma mia.
You're not. Uh-oh, now we get back to the icy part. We don't want to fall. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, this part's really bad. I almost fell.
Get to the wall!
Okay. It's really bad right here. Here, right here. Oh my god! I think I'm stuck over here. We're out here. The whale is here. We're out here on open water. This dude over here, back this way. Oh, jeez. We're going back towards the bridge. We out here. Hold on, wait till. Second time ice skating this year. First time in like 2 months. Levi's kind of flailing a little right now. Really? How do I skate, bruh?
Do you remember skate skiing at all?
Yeah, a little bit, but I can't keep looking. You just need to get stronger ankles. That's really it.
Really? Okay, that's kind of like a no-brainer. But look at my movement. They're like ski.
Yeah, you might need to tighten your skates too if you're having problems with the ankle folding. Alright. Bro's already gone. Feels better?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's good.
Stop. Oh.
I said I was going for a veil. Trust me. Yeah, sure.
Better the further you go. Oh, this crack is fucking. That is scary. That's why I'm going.
Oh, hell no.
I'm trying to go. Julio and Levi all the way back there. Dude, this full on fucking. We back. What are you guys doing?
It's hard to look at sign.
No parking.
Bro is actually gonna try.
We're back. Alright. Might have found an animal in front of us, and now we're gonna fucking die. Ah!
Yeah, she's recording it.
Yeah.
Parking lot is up there. But
Sure, that was a fucking person, bro.
I didn't either, but that thing that we both saw, vanished.
I don't know. I don't know.
I ain't going through there. We have to keep going the road.
That's not why I'm going this way.
Why are you going there, bro?
Guys, stress crossing.
Alright, if Levi's not gonna turn on the light, then I'm gonna start recording again.
Wait.
Oh, please. Levi, run.
Come on.